In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, views, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. Here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see other details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, picture. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is good in case lovely enjoys surroundings and rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your experience. Property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video and comment so let's meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.